Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your XIAOMI 12S Ultra louder. So, in the first step we have to open the Play Store, then look for the volume up. Now choose one of these boosters. I'm always using the Good If app. Okay, decide that you want to click yes agree or no thank you 3 times. And close this window. Now tap on the OK and tool is active. Now if you want to boost your volume power, just use that slider for it, the 16 is max, so just adjust it to your needs. And if you tap on the screen, the tool is still active in the background apps. So if you want to disable it, just click here in this place in the background apps, or just open the app and choose stop service. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.